the smart school, ये मेरा स्कूल है. The smart school, हम सबका स्कूल है.
Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning, dear students. Hope you all are doing well. Today we are again here for a new lesson. Let's see what we are going to learn today. Topics for today's lesson are Introduction of number 2, Oral counting of numbers 1 till 15. Objectives of the lesson are students will be able to recognize number 2, relate quantity with the number, identify number 2 and learn its formation, trace and write number 2, orally count numbers 1 till 15 in sequence. This is number 2. Now let's learn more about number 2.
Two apples, two trees, two tiny little buzzing bees, two tables, two chairs, two monkeys jumping over there, two candles, two flames, two smiley happy dancing dames, two farmers, two books, two very hungry sitting ducks, two chickens, two sheep, two frogs getting ready to leap. Look at all these numbers falling from the sky. Let's find them together, looking low and high. Two apples, two trees, two tiny little buzzing bees, two tables, two chairs, two monkeys jumping over there, two candles, two flames, two smiley happy dancing dames, two farmers, two books, two very hungry sitting ducks, two chickens, two sheep, two frogs getting ready to leap. The number 2 is special, we can use it every day. So come back soon and sing with us, we're always here to play.
How many circles you can see? Right, 2 blue circles. 2 strawberries. Count how many blocks you can see. Very good. 2 blocks. Now let's learn how to write number 2. Start from the starting point, make a curve, come down, stop and make a straight line. Now let's do some more practice. Start from the starting point, make a nice curve, come down, down, stop and make a straight line. Number 2. Again, start from the starting point, make a curve, come down, down, stop and make a straight line. Number 2. Again, start from the starting point, make a nice curve, come down, down, stop and make a straight line.
2 represents 2 items. Here are 2 green circles. 1, 2. So to write the number 2, first we start off up here and we go up and around, down to the line, and then straight across. So 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay, let's try drawing the number 2. I'm going to trace again. Up and around, down, and across. 2. 1, 2. The number 2. Try another one. Up and around, down, 2. Up and around, down, 2. So the number 2. Here are some more examples of 2. Here are 2 teddy bears. 1, 2. The number 2. Here's a green 2. Another 2, a red 2, and there's a 2. These are all the number 2.
Now let's move on to number 2. To write number 2, we'll start at the top and do a curved line around. Then we'll follow it diagonally down and then do a straight line across the bottom. Good job! Let's do that again. We'll start at the top and do a curved line around. Then follow it diagonally to the bottom and do a straight line across the bottom. Good job! Now you try. Good job!
Up till now, we have learnt number 2, quantity related to number 2, and the correct formation of number 2. Now let's do some writing assignment. Things to remember while doing written work are: write date and day, trace hollow numbers with different colors, trace or write number 2 with lead pencil or crayon, write number 2 with correct number formation, color the pictures. First of all, we will practice writing number 2 on our green board. Do you have your green boards with you? Now take out your green boards and chalk and practice number 2 many times. Practice makes a person perfect. Open up your smart number workbook, page number 3 and 4. You can see hollow number 2, dotted number 2, and the starting point for number 2. First write in hollow number 2 with different colors, then trace dotted number 2, and then write number 2 with correct number formation while following the starting point. I hope you all can write number 2 with correct number formation independently. Take out your math copy and write number 2 with correct number formation. You can also draw 2 balls on the blank page. Now let's count numbers 1 till 15 in sequence. Are you ready?
We're going to count a few things in the forest. We're going to count flowers, leaves, rocks, and trees. We'll start with flowers. 1 flower, 2 flowers, 3, 4, 5, 6 flowers, 7 flowers, 8, 9, 10, 11 flowers, 12 flowers, 13, 14, 15, 15 flowers, gonna play with them for hours. Leaves. 1 leaf, 2 leaves, 3, 4, 5, 6 leaves, 7 leaves, 8, 9, 10, 11 leaves, 12 leaves, 13, 14, 15, 15 leaves fell down from the trees. Rocks. 1 rock, 2 rocks, 3, 4, 5, 6 rocks, 7 rocks, 8, 9, 10, 11 rocks, 12 rocks, 13, 14, 15, 15 rocks, gonna put 'em in a box. Trees. 1 tree, 2 trees, 3, 4, 5, 6 trees, 7 trees, 8, 9, 10, 11 trees, 12 trees, 13, 14, 15, 15 trees gently waving in the breeze. I said 15 trees gently waving in the breeze. Today we practiced counting to 15. Let's do a little review. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15.
Did you enjoy number counting? I really enjoyed. Let's see what we have learned today. Today, my students will be able to recognize number 2, relate quantity with number 2, write number 2 with correct formation, count numbers 1 till 15 in sequence. See you in the next class with a new topic. Until then, Allah Hafiz. Have a good day.